Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to buy Polygon Coin or Polygon Matic on Trust Wallet. For that, first of all, you need to launch your Trust Wallet mobile application. Then you just have to log in into your account by providing your passcode or by providing your fingerprints. Now once you are on the home page, you need to use the search bar in the top, and in the search bar you need to type Matic. Once done, you will be able to see Polygon Matic in the top, so you need to tap on it and then you will be landed on this type of page. Now over here you need to tap on more and then you are going to see this buy option. So you need to tap on buy and then you will be shown this type of section where you need to enter the amount that you want to spend in order to purchase Matic coins. Here it will show you the recommended payment method, as it has shown me the credit card option. But if you want to change the recommended payment method, then you need to tap on this option, and here you will be able to see all of the payment methods that you can use to conclude this transfer, such as Google Pay, digital wallet, bank transfer, etc. But for this video I'm going to keep it as credit card. Then you need to tap on the buy button in the bottom, and then it will show you that you are being connected. So you will be redirected on the merchants or the partners website, where you need to create your account if you haven't already by providing your email address and creating a strong password for your account. Then you need to provide your credit card details and you simply need to conclude your payment. This way you will be able to easily purchase Polygon Matic on Trust Wallet. If the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.